Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about our lesson one, right? So, in lesson one, basically, we are going to discuss about network technologies. What is network technology, and what is the basic use of network technology? Understand? So, we are going to discuss on this topic only. So, student, you are able to see the first page of lesson, that is network technology, right? So I hope you all are aware with the network technology which we use for connecting devices. So in this first topic is data communication and networking, right? So you are able to see in this topic we have data communication, means like once data is going from one place to another place, how it is moving, right? How the data is moving, right? कभी भी डेटा जो है आपका वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जा रहा है तो वो कैसे मूव कर रहा है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी एक्चुअली. You are able to see here in this your book the process of sending data from one computer to another computer or multiple computers with help of networking is called data communication, right? As you send data, as you send any message to anyone, right? So message goes from one destination to another destination, or one computer to another computer, or one mobile to another mobile. So this process is called data communication, right? Networking means transmission of data by setting up the computer network. As of now, internet is globally the biggest form of computer network, right? अगर हम कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क की बात करें, फिर डिस्कस अबाउट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, सो कनेक्टिविटी बिटवीन टू और मोर कंप्यूटर्स, दो या दो से अधिक कंप्यूटर्स के बीच की जो कनेक्टिविटी होती है, अगर हम उसकी बात करें तो कंप्यूटर जो भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं उसकी कनेक्टिविटी जो होती है, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क वी यूज. If we see in actual manner, our internet is also a computer, or our internet is also a computer network, okay, through which we can send data, we can share the peripherals, and we can transfer the data between different hardware devices, right? So this is basically given about computer network. So you all are aware about the different kind of computer networks. अलग अलग तरह के आपके कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क होते हैं. You are able to see these devices, right? What is given? There is three computers, one hub, and one printer. These all are connected in a network. These all are connected in form of network, right? ये आपका it is a type of network, and see it is local area network, right? If we discuss about connectivity between like a short area, or you can say within a room, within a campus, or within a kilometer, right? Range of local area network is 1 kilometer, right? And wired and wirelessly we can connect the devices to each other, and that process is called local area network, right? So you are able to see example of LAN. As we are able to see LAN, in the same way we have MAN also, or we can say we have personal area network also. Like if we are using personal area network in our home, to connect all the like computers, all the like mobiles with a central device, which is which can be a router or switch, right? So it is given in network all the computer can communicate with each other. Network का meaning क्या है? In a network all the computer can communicate to each other. सारे कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे से क्या कर सकते हैं? बात कर सकते हैं, right? They can communicate to each other. What else is given here? Not only this, they can work independently too. Each computer device connect to the network is a node, and the node which broadcasts any information in the network is known as sender, and the node which receives the information is known as receiver, right? The person or the computer which is sending the nodes, which is sending the like data from one computer to another computer. So the sender, the who is sending, it is called sender. It will be called sender. And the person who is receiving the data is called receiver. Right. So you are able to see two computers here. One is sender and one is receiver. Right. Messages are getting transferred from one place to another place. Understand? Now the next is given here, the topic which we are going to discuss, that is message. It is given, it is a data that is transmitted from one node to another in computer network. It can be a different format like picture, video or audio, text, etc. As you all know, when you send any data from your mobile, like suppose you are sending one message on WhatsApp, so it can be text, it can be video, or it can be any picture. It is up to you which kind of data you are sending. So message can be sent in different forms like text, video, and your you can say your picture, audio. It can be anyone, right? Now we have transmission medium. What is transmission medium? You know, if I want to discuss something with you, then we need a mobile phone, internet connection, right? So for us, it is transmission medium. But in between, there are more devices which are connecting us. There are many different devices are there which are connecting us, right? You can say like your cables. We are using different kind of cable in our network, like your twisted pair cable, optical fiber cable, right? Coaxial cable. So these cables are basically transmission medium, right? These are the transmission medium. Okay, and next is, we have discussed already discussed about sender and receiver. The person who is sending data, that is sender, and the person who is receiving data, that is receiver. Right. Now there is one more topic, that is protocol. What is protocol actually? See, for every work we have some rules, right? So for doing any activity in internet or any activity with the help of internet, we required few specific protocol to keep our work complete. Understand? As we are studying in a school, so there are some protocol, like we have to report in school sharp 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, whatever is the time, and your first bell time is this, second bell time is this, then recess is there, right? So it is up to like school management which kind of like protocols they have made for school, and those protocol we are following. In the same way, for our network there is also set of few protocols, right? Now we have advantage of computer network. What is the advantage of computer network? You are able to know in computer there are certain things which is getting done. In computer many things are getting done as per our requirement, right? Like if we see, there is faster and effective data transfer. Network is very important for us to send our data from one place to another place. Our to share resources, right? Suppose we are having 10 computers in our network, and one computer we are having at server, it is very efficient, and all the peripheral devices like your printer, scanner, everything is connected into your main computer. Now what you will do, you will save the resources, or you will share the resources with the help of that main computer, right? Now saving of money, right? Like main computer is having very good configuration, and you are able to see that you can keep all other computers data in main computer, right? And you can share all other you can share file, or you can share softwares from main computer to your computer. So these are the advantage of computer network. So these are the advantage. You can share your hard disk, or you can share main computer hard disk with the other computer hard disk, right? And all the peripheral devices which are connected in main computer, right? And due to network, your data get transferred from one place to another place very fastly, right? So it can send faster and effective data transfer. There is possibility of faster and effective data transfer, right? Okay students, so for this video, this is the topic, understand? So in next video we will discuss about remaining topics. So now your work is to revise the lesson, and if you have any problem, then please attend your live classes. So there you can discuss about your uh, like uh, doubts. So doubt classes will be possible in only, you can say, live classes. So everyone please attend live classes, and understand the things, go through the books properly, study it, and attend the lecture. Your all doubts will be clear. Okay, thank you for attending the class.